Hey Blitzers! In this video, we're taking a quick look at Sessions, a new section inside the Reports tab that gives you a much clearer view of how you actually spend your time in Blitzit. This new time tracking system lets you view, edit, and manage each focus session with full accuracy. So let's dive in. Open Reports, and you'll see a new tab called Sessions. At the top, Blitzit shows you overall stats. Total time, which is the total hours tracked in focus sessions. Total tasks, that shows how many tasks you worked on, and total sessions, that shows how many sessions you had. These numbers update automatically based on whatever filters you choose. So you have 3 filters to shape what you see. Choose lists to view sessions from specific lists or view everything at once. Break times, you can hide or show breaks inside your sessions. And date range, you can use a short keys or pick any custom range using the calendar. This makes it easy to zoom out for the big picture, or zoom all the way into a single day. Below the totals, you'll see a chronological list of all your sessions. Each row shows the task you worked on, the list it belongs to, the session number, for example session 3 if it was your third focus session on that task, the day of the session, start and end time, and the total duration. This gives you a clean and accurate timeline of your work. Every session is editable. You can adjust the session date, start and end time, or total time spent. So, for example, you can correct accidental overtracking or refine manually added entries. To edit a session, you can simply click directly on the detail you want to change, date, time, duration, and update it instantly. Or you can open the expanded menu and choose Edit. The Edit panel shows the full list of sessions for the task, so you can review and adjust everything in one place. If you need to remove a session, select Delete from the menu. If you worked on a task outside of Blitz Mode, you can still log the time. Click Add Session, choose the task, enter the date, start and end time, or enter the duration, and click Add Session. It will appear in your timeline like any other session. If you need to share your work history, for example, with a client or keep a record for yourself, just click Export PDF to download a clean, formatted summary of your selected date range. Currently, the Sessions feature is in beta, and exporting PDF will be available soon. And that's it! The new Sessions view gives you a complete, accurate report with full control to edit, add, or analyze every minute of your work. Try it out and let us know what you think in the comments. Happy Blitzing!